Brought to you by JEGS.
Hi, I'm Joel Fleet Brakes, and this is a hydraulic kit for 1964.5 to 66 Ford Mustangs with manual brakes. This kit upgrades your car from the factory single bowl setup to a dual bowl master cylinder in no time. With this kit we include the installation instructions, the 1-inch bore dual bowl master cylinder, the brake lines necessary to route from the new master cylinder to the factory 3-port distribution block, as well as a union which will be installed to your rear brake line with the hard line supplied. This kit is easy to install while adding the safety of a dual bowl master cylinder and maintaining a factory appearance.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.